Tonight, I am just making our keto sweet and sour meatball recipe, and I decided I take a really long time to roll them into balls, so I had Holly get me this bigger like cookie scoop, and I decided I'm putting them in there and then shortcutting how long it takes me to roll. And I think it's just me, because I like them to be packed like perfectly, and so anyway, I don't know how to do it right, but this has been really happy. It took me way less time to make just as many meatballs as I had before, and I used the scoop to do it, so it made me really happy. And guess what? It's your journey. You can do however you want. So if it's not the right way to make meatballs, who cares? It's your kitchen. Do it the way you like. For dinner, here's the sweet and sour meatballs. They didn't turn out super round, but I'm sure they'll still taste good, right? Yummy. And then we've got a little cauliflower with butter, cucumbers, broccoli, pork rinds, and you can't really see. Oh, here's some more meatballs. The sour cream container has onion dip in it. Oh, and we have some deviled eggs that Ruth made. So there we go. Right now we're going to have leftovers for dinner. We've got 3 people gone to different activities. So we just pulled out a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to show you Kate. She's having meatball leftovers and a fresca next to a candle. And I am having a hamburger with some relish on it and meatballs also. That will be delicious. That's it. Kind of boring, but kind of nice because we can just sit down and watch a movie tonight. Here's Chris over there. Chris, hi.
Hi.
I did it. I did my workout. I am super sweaty now. I did a bunch of lifts on the machines, and then I did the Stairmaster, and I'm gonna head home and get showered and ready for work. Yay! As you can see, I'm still super sweaty, but that's okay. I gotta get these off the counter. I'm gonna melt them down. I'm just about to put one into a mold, but Chris came over here, and behind me, he is working on test flavors. In the process of making Keto Chow, we test every single batch that comes in.
Yep, have to try them all out, make sure that they taste right. Cookies and cream.
Okay.
Yeah, that tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good. So we can check it off.
Oh yeah, that one.
This blank one.
That's the Voldemort one that we're not talking about.
It's a test flavor. Okay, going back to what I was doing before.
Dude, that's good.
Okay, I got my keto brick into the fridge, and then I grabbed these test flavors. We've got chocolate, we've got salted caramel, and chocolate peanut butter. Yes, I know they're not new flavors. They're just a test of the next batch that's coming in. So I've got these creamy containers. I'm gonna grab a couple more, see if I can fill them up. I'm wanting some creamies in the freezer. And we do this a lot with, if we just don't eat the keto chow that we've already made, this is a great way to not let it go to waste. If I know I'm not gonna drink it, oh gosh, that tastes good. In the time that I have allotted, it works out really. This is salted caramel. Chocolate, peanut butter, 3 tablespoon cream. When I actually put it into Chronometer, I'm going to probably put 0.75 of a serving because I want to try to be as accurate as possible. And even if I put 50 or 0.75 or 1, it would be okay, but I want to try to get my macros right. And even though I'm estimating, I'm going to try to estimate good. So let me write the last one, salted caramel. And then I like to stick them on the sides like this because I can see it in my freezer. So that's how I do it. And then soon I'll use the printed ones that we've been doing. Ta-da! And really quick before I put those in, do you guys want to walk downstairs and look in the bathroom? I assume the kids didn't clean it up. Oh gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's still the dirty towel there. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look what I just did. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I just put the bar through the wall. Look. There it is. There it is. There's sheetrock. That's how deep it is in there. I just finished my workout. I was re-racking the bar by itself. Oh well. There's a piece of sheetrock, paint. And look at this. That's the paint that was underneath it. Well, I should really clean that up. It's fine. I'm gonna clean that up sometime. Okay, just seeing that hole in the wall puts me in mind of letting things get in your way, making things be a problem, right? So yeah, is it a problem? Sure, I have to patch the hole. That sucks. And it's fine. I have to clean up a mess, and I will clean it up. I will clean it up sometime. If I choose to allow that to affect me for the long term, then I'm not going to be moving forward in my journey. So I can brush it off my shoulders. I can be like, well, we got to fix the hole. It's fine. And that's what I'm doing. I feel like I'm in a good place right now mentally. Then that's great, right? But there are times when we are so, stressed or focused on a lot of things that we let stuff like that get to us. And it can be easy to just be like, no, I ruined the thing. I'm never using the weight room. I'm turning it back into a bedroom, blah, 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 whatever. I quit. It would be really easy to say, I quit for some silly reason. And I am taking the time to choose not to. So good job, me. Yay. All right, I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm ready for the day. One more thing, really quick before I get ready. Oh my gosh, I keep doing this. I got this package from my girl in Canada, and I wanted to show you what she bought me. Look how cute this is. Jasper, I don't know how to say Banff, I don't know, but it's so cute. This is from Jasper National Park, and then this shirt, which I can't apparently get out very well. Look at how cute that t-shirt is. I'm in love with orange right now, and I'm in love with yellow, so I'm super excited. It says Jasper, Canada. Wow, I believe in me. Cute, huh? I just had another thought. I was driving to work, and I apparently have a lot of thoughts while I'm driving to work. So I want you to see my nails, see how it's like chipping off at the top. And then this one is like completely gone. Because Lake Powell last week was super awesome and fun, and I was in the water a ton, and that's just kills your nails, right? So I got a new nail appointment, but as I was looking at my nails, I was realizing like these tops, the tops of the nails have been exposed for a few days now. And usually when I have the nail polish chips off, the nails are so weak that they break. Because I know this, the gel polish weakens your nails. And so the more you have it on for a longer period of time, the weaker your nails get, and they just are super wimpy and brittle. But I'm grateful that I noticed this morning, because I'm going up in my calories in my macros, blah, 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 whatever. I'm going up my macros right now. My protein is higher because what I did with Robert was he took my macros down lower and lower and my calories down lower and lower so that I could lose weight, and then he's bringing them back up again doing the reverse diet. Okay, so I'm in the up section, which I'm super happy about because I have a lot more energy. I'm feeling good, which is funny because I didn't really notice that I wasn't feeling that great before. I still feel like I was feeling good, but I feel better now. So I find that interesting, but that's not my point. My point is I'm noticing the higher protein already in my nails because they should have broken by now, but they haven't. And that makes me super happy. So what I want to tell you is whether you're doing high protein or high fat keto, whatever keto version you're doing, or carnivore, whatever that is. I mean, I guess if it's carnivore, it's always going to have lots of protein in it. You need to make sure you have a good protein goal. And something that we've learned is you want to kind of take your goal weight and then make that be your protein goal, right? If I want to weigh 160 pounds, I need 160 grams of protein.
right? So that's what I want to aim for. And I am doing this, thing right now. I'm manipulating my body, and then I'm going to go back up so I can eat more calories. And I'm grateful that I have I'm grateful I've had this opportunity to be able to do this, but I just am so happy that I'm going up in protein so that my nails and hair can be happier. So remember that. Good protein. Get it?
Yeah. This way.
Yep.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what?
Now we wait. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out so we can grab some yummy chocolate chips. Got the middle out, and then we're going to put 30 grams of these chocolate chips. So close. Okay. We're going to stick these back in. Here you go, Mike.
Thank you. Now, what's the next step?
Eating it.
I got my workout in, and Sammy made me breakfast. You can see my Keto Chow with the stuff in it. Let me see if I can find a piece. Hello. There's a little piece right there. Can you see it? Little chocolate piece. Should be a good day. I have the day off, so I'm gonna get some stuff done around here. I've been cleaning my closet. I did vacuum up finally, I vacuumed up the bathroom and the workout room where I spilled stuff on, and I did get my workout in, so I'm ready to go get dressed and tackle the day. And it should be a good day, and I'm not gonna let that hole in the wall ruin my progress or make me quit. So I am excited. It's gonna be a good day. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get that hole patched, but we'll get there. It's fine. I hope you have a good day. I appreciate you. Remember to be kind to yourself, and don't let those hole in the walls get you down. We just got back from Sam's soccer game, and they lost, but he actually scored a goal, which was really awesome, and I'll ask him about it in a second, but I want to show you we're just having leftovers. Half of ground beef patty, a flat egg, sausage, not crispy bacon, and Kate is having...
Crispy bacon, sausage, and egg.
Same, and Sam, what are you having?
I got one of these real good broccoli and cheddar cheese.
Yeah, I want to see you taste it and see what you think. It might be too hot. What do you think?
It's still hot.
Tell me about the game.
We kicked the ball around.
Yeah.
In the middle! Sam, go!
Okay. Is this time?
Hot?
Yep.
What do you think? It's kind of like, is it chicken on the outside? Or is it like an almond flour?
I think it is chicken on the outside.
Do you think it needs some sauce or salt or anything?
I think it needs salt.
Okay. But that's kind of a nice option. So you like it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay, thank you.
I'll stick my salt in there.
Yeah.
Because this one's not open. I'll just
Put some salt on the plate and then you can kind of dip it into the salt.
put that on and do like this.
Oh, that's a lot. Nice. Oh, that's really still hot. That's okay. It's good. I'm glad you like it. It's still hot.
It's still really hot.
Okay.
Still hot.
Thanks, buddy. Say bye.
Bye.